Hello, Kiddues! Today we learn good habits. Are you ready? I am helping. Let me help you. Helping is good. I am sharing. Here you go. Sharing is caring. I am listening. Shh, listen. Good job. I am caring. I care for you. Be kind. I am cleaning. Sweep, sweep. Keep it clean. I say thank you. Thank you. Very good. I say sorry. Sorry. That's kind. I am smiling. Smile wide. So happy. I am loving. I love you. So sweet.